They used to call him a genius. The kind of man who could win at anything he touched. But nobody talks about what happened after he lost everything. One wrong decision, one failed business, and within months, he went from admired to mocked. Friends stopped calling. His family avoided him, and the world moved on without him. He tried starting again, failed. Tried a third time, failed harder. The kind of failure that makes a man question his purpose. One night he sat alone in a small empty room. No money, no plans, no hope. He whispered two words that changed him forever. Not yet. He wasn't done. He wasn't finished. He wasn't defeated. That night, he stood back up, and the world was about to meet a different version of him. A man who had nothing left to lose.